backup screen, no rear LED light bar on. Let's turn that on. Just got that switch right here. See pretty good there. And then there's back to the screen, and wow, we can see everything. So that really works good. Let's take a look at that here in the back. Just got it clamped in place to check this to make sure it does work. And there's the camera right up here. And it really lights it up back there. See the snowblower and all my other stuff in the shop pretty good. So we'll mount it there, and that gives a great view in the backup camera there.